Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zahra and now I will explain about weak forms. Weak forms it's a really important pronunciation point. Learning about weak forms can help you speaking, but it can also make a difference for your listening. There are many words which have a weak forms, but not all words can do. Words which carry the meaning of a sentence don't usually have weak forms. That means most nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs don't have a weak forms. Prepositions like to, for, as, of, or at have a weak forms. Pronouns like you, yours, that, there can have a weak forms. And or but have a weak forms too. Auxiliary verbs often have a weak forms like do, does, was, would, can, are, and others. For example, what does he do at the weekends? Does is weak. It's pronounced does. At is also weak. It's become at. The is weak too. It's pronounced the. And there one more rule, the last word of a sentence can never be weak. For example, what you looking at? The stressed words here are what and looking. R and U is weak. They're pronounced A. At has a weak too. It's not stressed. Thank you very much and bye bye.